Buongiorno, je m'appelle Rohit Paul, je suis ici pour parler de la Brigade de Cuisine. Starting with an introduction, Brigade de Cuisine is a system of hierarchy found in restaurants and hotel employing extensive staff, commonly referred to as kitchen staff in English-speaking countries. So basically, it is a hierarchy. The kitchen brigade is a system of hierarchy where hotels and restaurants employ kitchen staff for the proper working of the restaurants and hotels. This concept was developed by Georges Auguste Escoffier. This structured team system delegates responsibilities to different individuals who specialize in certain tasks in the kitchen. As we know, in the kitchen brigade, there are several positions being given. So, the concept that was developed by Georges Auguste Escoffier is nothing but a structured system where the duties or responsibilities are distributed to every individual who is specialized in his or her field. So the certain task in the kitchen, different task in the kitchen is distributed to different employees, different staff, different kitchen staff who are specialized in certain tasks. Chef de cuisine. Chef de cuisine is nothing but kitchen chef, chief chef of the kitchen. They are responsible for overall management of kitchen, supervises staff, creates menus and new recipes with the assistance of the restaurant manager, makes purchase of raw food items, trains apprentices, and maintains a sanitary and hygienic environment for the preparation of food. Basically, chef de cuisine is responsible for the proper working of a good kitchen. He has been given many duties like training the apprentices, makes purchase of raw food items, and maintains a sanitary and hygienic environment as said. Then he's also taking part in menu making with discussing with the assistant of the restaurant manager, or the restaurant manager manages the kitchen and also supervises the staffs. Et maintenant, je passe au suivant. Merci beaucoup.
Salut, je m'appelle Simran Chutani, Nore nom de sujet es Brigade de Cuisine. In this, my part is of two positions that are sous chef and saucier. The first one is sous chef. He is a deputy or a second kitchen chef under the main chef. He receives order directly from the chef de cuisine for the management of the kitchen and often serves as the representative when the chef de cuisine is not present. The qualification is many sous chefs get their position through the promotion after receiving training and experiences in culinary profession. The second one is saucier. He prepares sauces and warm appetizers which are hot dog. He completes meat dishes and in small restaurants may work on fish dishes and prepare salt items. This is one of the most respected position in the kitchen brigade. Although it is often considered the highest position of the station cooks, the saucier is typically still tertiary to the chef and the sous chef. That's all. Merci beaucoup.
Salut, je suis Kaushik Kezarkar. Mon sujet est Potre de cuisine. My topic is on kitchen porter. In French, it's called as plongour. A kitchen porter is responsible for ensuring the cleanliness of the kitchen, the preparation of basic food, and the maintenance of the kitchen organization. His basic job is like to clean the utensils, cut and peel the food given by the chef, and to see that the utensils are kept in a proper place. Wudur de etre, meaning you will need to pay attention to the details, the ability to work well with your hands, be patient, and remain calm in stressful situations. You will need to have the ability to work well with others. Then comes la capacité de travail, meaning the ability to work alone. Then the next one is la capacité Hondur, critique and work well sous pression, meaning you need to have the ability to accept criticism and work well under pressure. Then comes the physical skills such as coordination, movement. Then the most important one is excellent verbal communication. Then is the to perform basic task on computer. Then comes responsibility le potre de cuisine, meaning the responsibilities of a kitchen porter. The first one is cleaning and remediation of all meal preparation areas as well as kitchen walls, stoves, ovens and grills. Second one is sweep the kitchen areas during shifts and at the end of the shifts. The third one is wash dirty vessels, covered planks, utensils and kitchen equipment. Then the next one is make sure the blenders and the other cooking equipment are in good working condition. Then the simple one is receiving and unpacking all deliveries. Then an important one is to empty, relinger and wash garbage cans as needed. That is important. Then the other one is ensure refrigerators, fridges and storage areas are clean and well organized so that the chef does not have any other problem in searching the utensil or any food stuff. The last one and the most important one is help the chef read the basic food, which include washing, peeling and cutting meal ingredients as instructed by the chef. Thank you and merci beaucoup.
Salut, yo me apelo Carlton Fernández. Me sujeso lo hotiswa, lo guilado, lo fritue, e lo posone. The hotiswa. The hotiswa, also known as a roast chef, is responsible for preparation of all roasted foods. He manages a team of cooks that roasts, broils, and deep fries dishes. The cooking styles used often focus on cooking the meats very slowly in order to hold in as much flavor as possible. Primarily task prepare and cook meats by roasting, braising, broiling or other methods. They may also be in charge of obtaining the meat from local suppliers and retailers. The grilladin, also known as the grill chef, is responsible for any foods that must be grilled. This can include meats, poultry, or even vegetables. The grill cook is a semi-skilled specialty cook. His duties relative to those of other chefs are narrow but deal with grilling using charcoal or more modern grills using electricity or gas. He may also be called up to fry, bake, or even microwave meat, poultry, and fish dishes as part of his duties. Primarily tasks prepare and cook seafood. They may also be responsible for acquiring the seafood used in an establishment for a local market or non local vendor. The fritueur, more commonly known as the fry cook, handles any food that must be cooked in oil or other animal fats. Like the grilladin, the fritueur can handle anything from meats to potatoes to vegetables. Primarily task cook foods that need to be fried. They are mainly needed in fast food establishments. The poissonnier. The poissonnier, commonly referred to as the fish chef, is responsible for the cooking, garnishing, and sauce making for the fish courses. This can include acquiring fresh fish on a daily basis from local fishermen or other merchants, as well as bringing in non local catches as needed to supplement the menu. This would also make him responsible for any fish stocks or soups as well. Methods of cooking fish include poaching, a la menuire, a poêlée, and a elaborate dressings are done by chef poissonnier. Primarily task: prepare and cook seafood. They are also be responsible for acquiring the seafood used in an establishment from a local market or non-local vendor. Merci beaucoup.